So I'm here at the Youth Workshop. We're getting ready for the mass choir rehearsal. What's your name?
Zach Adams.
Okay, so tell me about your experience so far.
So we've been doing countless clinics and rehearsals in multiple groups. We have this mass choir and then separated groups, and all of it is just so fun. I feel like I've learned so much, and it feels a lot longer than it is because of how much you are learning. Yeah.
Have you gotten a chance to go to the evening concerts as well?
Yes, we go to every evening concert, and they're all amazing. We get our own reserved rows, and it's in the perfect spot. It is.
And then tomorrow, you guys are going to have a concert, yeah?
We're going to play in the main hall, and we're going to play in this big mass group and then the two small mass groups. And my group's playing Shenandoah and stuff like that, and it's really cool. I'm really excited.
Tell me your name and where you're from and what year in school you are.
My name is Allie Gwynn. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I'm going to be a senior next year in high school.
Nice. And how'd you hear about the Youth Workshop?
I actually was here last year, so I went to the ITF in Arkansas, and I just had a great time, so I wanted to come back before I'm too old.
Of course. Yeah, I wish I could still do it. So what's different this year about last year? What's something that you like this year that you were missing out last year? Anything different?
There are some different people here, like Joe Alessi wasn't here last year, so it was really, really cool to see him this year, and we got like a special master class with him, so that was really cool.
All right. Would one player like to come up and play? Let's see. Let's do two.
So speaking of the masterclass, there was one person who, this was not planned. It was, maybe somebody wants to play for me. Joe Alessi stands up and says that. And one person said, I'll stand up and do it first. Who was that?
That was me.
Okay, so that takes a lot of courage. What made you do that?
I have had bad anxiety, especially like when performing, and so I had a feeling that he was going to ask for someone to volunteer, so I was like, I'm just going to raise my hand before I can second guess myself and just go, because it's Joe Alessi. Like, no matter who went up there, everyone was going to sound bad to him, so I was like, it doesn't even matter, I'm just going to go learn when I can, so.
Yeah, and did you get anything good out of it? What are you going to do differently going forward because of that?
I definitely did. Actually, something that I wasn't expecting to get out of it, he told me to bring the trombone up to me, because I tend to play kind of hunch like this, and it inhibits my breathing, and so he moved my stand and was like, don't look at the stand, stop playing into it, and so that helped a lot, especially with confidence too. It was easier to play after that. So
yeah. You think you're going to come back as a regular ITF attendee?
I definitely will. I love trombone, so I will be coming back for hopefully the rest of my life.
Yeah, I mean, I started in 2014. I haven't stopped. Tell me, okay, if there's a student out there that's kind of thinking about coming to the Youth Workshop and not sure, what would you tell them?
I would say definitely just go for it. Everyone's really nice here. The community is really encouraging. It's so nice to meet your heroes and have them be cheering you on. It's so cool. So I would say definitely go.
Come out to the Youth Workshop. It's ages 12 to 18, and then after you're 18, you just got to come hang with the rest of us. All right, thanks for stopping by, and I can't wait to see y'all perform at the concert tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right.